So, Amanda, I really appreciate you doing this, and I think we're working together now for I think our 5-year anniversary is coming up, if I'm not mistaken, this
Oh, maybe.
fall.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah,
I don't think it might have been before that.
yeah. Maybe
Not before
I mean,
COVID, but maybe I'm
2021,
wrong.
2021, I believe.
Really? Huh.
I just checked
Now
before we
I
got on. That's how I know. I can
Oh, okay. I won't dispute you because now I'm messing
Yeah, yeah,
up.
yeah, yeah. So I guess let's start with if you can tell everybody about, I mean, anyone in construction industry most knows you guys anyway, but if you could tell them maybe a little bit about Phelps and what you guys do.
Sure. So we are a commercial general contractor, construction manager, and we perform projects throughout the state of New Jersey and some in New York.
Hmm.
Um, some of our big projects are the Statue of Liberty Museum on Liberty
Mm,
Island. We're currently renovating Lowe's Theater in Jersey City, which is
mm,
supposed to open within the next year or so. So that will be a big project for us.
right.
Um, we have about a little under 50 employees,
Hmm.
and in terms of IT, most of our staff is the majority of our staff is in the field.
Right.
So that's a little different than most companies, I would assume, that are
Hmm.
office based.
Mm, yeah. And I guess like what were things like before Mazteck? Like, what were the main, challenges you guys were dealing with before we started working with you?
I think, I mean, in the office, everything was fine.
Hmm.
Um, you guys kind of took a lot more off of my plate because I
Hmm.
was fixing the day to day issues, and the largest issue was that I have no way to support the guys in the field. I can't
Right.
get onto their computers or,
Hmm.
troubleshoot their printers.
Right.
And that's something that you guys, with a click of a button, have access to like jump
Hmm.
on their machine and solve the little issues they may be having.
Right.
So I think that's probably like the biggest add in value,
Hmm.
um, which the previous company we were with didn't have that same ability. They were always using like a splash top or
Hmm.
something. Someone that's not computer savvy had to go to get to them first.
Right. 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 And like, what would you say? I know you just named a bunch of it, but like working together for a long time, what would you say are the things that we helped you guys with the most?
One is definitely
Right.
having access to my guys in the field and
Hmm.
being able to connect with them pretty quickly and easily without them having to do much. And then you definitely have our machines safer, like the updates go through. I'm not worrying about whose machine's not updated
Hmm. Right.
or tracking one of them down.
Hmm.
Um, Probably just organization
Hmm.
overall because I was doing half of it, the other company was doing the other half. You guys
Right.
kind of centralized everything. So I go to you now instead of trying to figure it out myself.
Right. Yeah. And that's in our mind, that's one of the things that really separates us is, being able to kind of tailor fit, to every client that we work with.
Yeah, you've
And
definitely taken a lot off of my plate from like, I mean, day to day, there's still some things that I'm like, don't call them, that's stupid. I can help you. But
right.
day to day, that
Hmm.
the support aspect of my
Hmm.
job when it comes to technology, I've kind of pushed onto you guys.
Right. And I guess last, what would you say to, let's say, a client who's contemplating using us? Maybe someone, who's on the fence.
I would probably say that I think I found you guys from a marketing package that you sent me,
Hmm.
and I thought it was a little gimmicky, but you're really not any gimmicks.
Hmm.
You've promised and succeeded in everything that you've promised.
Hmm.
Um, so I would say that you're trustful, you're always on my side, and that overall you're helping me be better at my job because you're taking this load off of like nobody
Hmm.
wants to think about IT. You have to deal with it. Nobody wants to
Yeah.
think about it, but you guys want to think about it.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, I think we sent you, what was it? The Alka-Seltzer? I forgot which. I mean, there's so many of them, but yeah.
No, but it was
I,
nifty. I forget what it
yeah,
was, but I remember it was like
I think it was either the
$5 or
Alka-Seltzer
something,
or
and
the
I was like,
magnifying
"What a
glass.
scam!" But it's
Yeah.
not. It was.
I'll tell Mario what you said.
I just, well, you never know.
Yeah, yeah, it's true. Yeah,
It worked.
yeah,
Coming from a
yeah,
marketing professional, it worked.
yeah, 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 yeah.
And
Um,
you, like I said, you've promised things to correct it and get it
mhm.
all in line, and you've succeeded in all of those. So I would say it's not gimmicky,
No, yeah,
and you've got our IT in line.
great, and it's, it's a pleasure serving you guys as always. So listen, Amanda, I really again appreciate the time, and as always, if you ever need anything, call me anytime.
Of course.
Of course, I'm not the tech guy, but
No, I have them on speed
yeah.
dial.
All right, all right, Amanda. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye bye.